What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a little bit different of a video. It's going to be more of like just a vlog, just a super chill day. It's Sunday. Worked pretty hard over the week. Damn, this fucking lighting is weird. Pretty much Sebastian, my friend, is going to come pick me up. We're going to just cruise down to Malibu, get some lunch, and I'll kind of just take you guys along for the ride. Sebastian just pulled up. We're going to go on a cruise down to Malibu. I'll see you guys in the car on the way there. We're just having a pretty chill Sunday. Just cruise down to Malibu. Fuck. In the E. Now we're hitting up Lily's Burritos. If you guys know about this place, it's pretty fucking bad. The biggest fucking burritos. Sebastian's about to bust. We just finished up at Lily's Malibu. So fucking loud. So we just got back from Malibu about an hour ago. I kind of just laid down for a minute. Had a pretty busy week, honestly. A lot of calls with the insurance business, stuff like that. I'll kind of touch on more what I do exactly once I get over to the office. Today's just going to be checking in with clients, making sure that everyone's satisfied, making sure that clients don't need more additional coverage, stuff like that. Kind of just touching on their policies, touching base with them. Just simple back-end stuff. It's kind of boring, but I'll take you guys through it. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos just like this. It's kind of fun to just film my day. I don't know if you guys find it interesting or not, but it is just me going through my day. Kind of what I do on the daily basis. Maybe we can touch on a little more work stuff in a further video. This one's mainly just us hanging out on a Sunday, just having fun, honestly. Driving around Malibu, seeing the cars. It's kind of hard to drive stick while I'm recording. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, pretty much we're just on the way to the office. So we just pulled up here. I don't know why this fucking key isn't working that great, but it works. Just pulled up to my office here. It's a small little spot. It's kind of cool. Nice to get away from the house and work. But pretty much I'll just be walking you guys through like some back-end work, customer retention stuff, just keeping up with clients that I haven't talked to in maybe a couple weeks or so. Super important, super underrated. Nobody fucking does it. If you sell someone in life insurance and you don't fucking touch their case for a while, they're gonna fall off. That's just bound to happen. So it's super important that even on Sundays, even if it's just for an hour throughout the day, you kind of touch base with your clients, see what their needs are, see if they're happy. And if they are, good, you did your job. If not, you're gonna lose all those clients to chargebacks, unfortunately, but we'll hop on the computer here and I'll kind of just walk you through that. All right. right, so we did just finish up all the work for today. It was a very easy Sunday. I just wanted to take it easy, just touch the books, not lose touch with current clients that I have. If you guys don't know, I do sell life insurance. That's pretty much what I'm doing here today. It's just checking in with all my current clients, making sure that they're satisfied. I want to start doing more of these like daily, almost like a vlog, just taking you along with me throughout my day, whether it be work, going to hang out with friends, going to car meets, stuff like that. Sometimes drinking with the boys. Like, it is a fun ass fucking time, and I want you guys to be there to experience that with me. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below. And until then, I'll see you on the next video, and like and subscribe. Thank you guys for